Rocket Lab has exploded higher plus 9.46% to $82.83, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Saturday, August 8th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Caution prevails across asset classes. Equity markets are responding to reports that Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ futures rise as investors shrug off Fed hold, big tech earnings, iBurks, MSFT, Sophie, Meta in focus stock twits. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is trading higher by plus 0.62%, at $7,757.64. Equity markets are responding to reports that stock market rallies after early sell-off. eCathamirini.com. NASDAQ 100 edged higher plus 1.19% to $29,722. Investor sentiment is being shaped by RE chip design era ends. TSMC affiliate GUC posts record revenue as turnkey surpasses 80%, Tech Times. Dow Jones ticked up plus 0.28% to $54,037. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500, NASDAQ close lower on tech weakness but recover after hours on strong Micron earnings. Moo, Avgo, Google in focus stock twits. DAX edged higher plus 0.69% to €26,319. This comes as oil price today. Brent rises 1% as Middle East conflict continues. Hormuz shipping disruption, the Times of India, adding pressure to energy markets. FTSE 100 is trading higher by plus 0.31%, at £10,901. Equity markets are responding to reports that Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ futures rise as investors shrug off Fed hold, big tech earnings, iBurks, MSFT, Sophie, Meta in focus stock twits. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Rocket Lab made a dramatic move today, surged plus 9.46% to $82.83. Investor sentiment is being shaped by why is Rocket Lab, RKLB, in focus after new commercial space signals. Simplywall.st. Neutron medium-lift rocket development is the key valuation catalyst. A successful first launch would dramatically expand the addressable market and justify a meaningful re-rating. Space Systems revenue from satellite components and manufacturing is a steady, often overlooked earnings base. Watch for any Neutron program update or new DoD launch contract. Bajaj Finance plunged minus 5.84% to 1,078 Indian rupees in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Bajaj Finance's 29% profit surge in Q1, driven by robust NI and ORM growth. Rediff. Consumer durable financing and personal loans are growing, but the market is watching credit quality in a slower growth environment. The EMI card business and co-branded credit card partnerships are the emerging fee income drivers. Watch for any commentary on the Q-on-Q credit cost trend. Nintendo surged plus 5.26% to 8,043 yen in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Nintendo earnings. Resilient game shipments point to recovering user engagement, fair value up by 9%, Morningstar. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the 8,525 yen and 58 sen level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical. Always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. SAP made a dramatic move today, surged plus 4.08% to €177.96. Investor sentiment is being shaped by SAP stock jumps as earnings beat eases RE fears. Barons. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for SAP sits around €188.64. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view. Always do your own research. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, this comes as oil price today. Brent rises 1% as Middle East conflict continues. Hormuz shipping disruption, the Times of India, adding pressure to energy markets. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ futures rise as investors shrug off Fed hold, big tech earnings, iBurks, MSFT, Sophie, Meta in focus stock twits. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500, NASDAQ close lower on tech weakness but recover after hours on strong micron earnings, Moo, Avgo, Google in focus stock twits. Turning to commodities. Brent crude edged higher to $83.55 per barrel, up 1.29% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that current price of oil as of fortune. WTI crude edged higher to $78.18 per barrel, up 1.15% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that current price of oil as of fortune. Natural gas edged higher to $2.66, up 0.83% on the session. This comes as oil price today. Brent rises 1% as Middle East conflict continues. Hormuz shipping disruption, the Times of India, adding pressure to energy markets. Gold climbed to $4,340.70 per troy ounce, up 2.33% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by gold climbs to $4,322 as Hormuz tensions fuel rate hike fears. ECX.org. Let us give you our near-term view on Rocket Lab. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the $87.80 level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical. Always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, gaining 0.04% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.35, gaining 0.17% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 157.75, gaining 0.09% on the day. The move in the dollar reflects reports that stock market today, Dow opens higher after job data misses forecasts, WTI oil price at $77. Eurasia Business News. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets and we will see you in the next video. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.